Ma'am Jelaine M. Valier, in sincere appreciation of your exemplary dedication, commitment, and invaluable contribution as numeracy coordination for Key Stage 1 toward the enhancement of numeracy education. Your efforts have significantly supported the academic growth and success of our learners. Ma'am C.P. M. Rivera, numeracy coordination for Key Stage 1.
Jimena I. Jesus, in sincere appreciation of your exemplary dedication, commitment, and invaluable contribution as Filipino Rating Coordinator. Ma'am?
Ma'am Sheila May N. Imaza, in sincere and appreciation of your exemplary dedication, commitment, and invaluable contribution as ATM coordinator toward ensuring accessible and flexible learning opportunities for all learners.
Ma'am Concepcion A. Garay, sincere appreciation of your exemplary dedication, commitment, and invaluable contribution as Supreme Elementary Learner Government SELG Coordinator.
Ma'am Janice Ian B. Million, in sincere appreciation of your exemplary dedication, commitment, and invaluable contribution as CAPSCAL Coordinator. Ma'am Denise Ann B. Erasmus, Winter Scout Coordinator. Mr. Oliver C. Meray, Boy Scout Coordinator. And Ma'am Jeneline S. Rakpan for Girl Scout Coordinator.
Ma'am Nora Concepcion, our nanay teacher for all persons. Ma'am Cherry Ann C. Donesa Francisco, our adult total person in guiding learners through the academic economy program. Ma'am C.P. Flexible Learning Annual Program. Yun. Ma'am Gloria T. San Pedro. Jimena I. Jesus. Candelaria, and yours truly, Sir White. Marlo, our guidance mentor. Our PD coordinator.
Mr. John R. N. Abogador, our
Sir Ferdinand H. Adopt Program.
to the successful Ma'am Remini G. Tulaga. Education and learners.
ng na ang aming SPA officer para po sa ikahulugi ng ating paaralan. Sa ngayong gabi po, ito lang po, maraming salamat at magandang gabi.
Ma'am Gloria T. San Pedro in grateful recognition as an outstanding teacher.
Congratulations, Ma'am Glo.
And Ma'am Phoebe M. Rivera in grateful recognition as an outstanding teacher.
Close, I'm filled with immense gratitude and pride. Tonight, we've celebrated not just achievements, but the bands that made those achievements possible. Every award handed out tonight is a testament to the hard work, trust, and collaboration to excellence, and it inspires all to reach further. To every partner present, thank you for your unwavering commitment, your willingness to listen, and your courage to take risks together. As we look ahead to the next chapter, let's carry forward the spirit of partnership. Let's continue to support one another, to celebrate each other's wins, and to stand together when we're all gets well. Okay, let's begin. So our partners, the heart of our journey, to our awardees, the leaders of tomorrow, and to the future we will build hand in hand. Cheers!